witness on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with a little demonstration of our 6-head LED stick in this Peterbilt. This is actually a gigantic pressure washing truck. We mounted our stick behind the grill there, and as you can see, we've got that flickery pattern going back and forth between amber and white. This stick does have the steady white flood, but we're not using that feature in this build. We also have our Thin-X LED LIN series in amber clear on the sides. We've got it mounted right there behind the headlight in an alternating amber white. This is a great, big, monstrous truck. So if you've got trucks that are big and tall like this, and you're a commercial place like that, come on down and get warning like this. Everybody needs good warning like this. Again, this is our 6-head LED stick in an amber white configuration. This is the Wicked Warnings model. So make sure you specify or look for the link to this specific stick. We have several different sticks we use, some by other manufacturers. This is the Wicked Warnings model right here in the 6-head configuration. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for truck strobe lights and construction safety lighting and equipment.